Here I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select security, and a bit lower you will notice unknown sources feature. So if you truly want to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, simply click on this tab, and now you just have to tap on OK in order to agree that you are taking all the risk that is connected with this applications. So that would be all. Now you can install applications from sources other than your Play Store, and then if you'd like to deactivate it, if you would like to block them, simply tap on the same switcher one more time, and as you can see now, you will not be able to install any app from unknown source. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate unknown sources in your Philips. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.